Hi there everybody. In today's video I'm going to be changing the oil and the oil filter in this Toyota Verso. This is a 2009 I'm going to start by opening the oil filler cap and pulling the dipstick. So I'm just going to leave those lying there open, and we're going to drain the oil and tackle the oil filter from underneath. So I'm gonna get the car up. I'm using a ramp, and it'll be a bit easier to see the points there. Okay, so looking at the car from underneath, we just need to open this little plastic flap here. It's got two pins holding it. The ones you remove this, you pull the center, and the little holding pin comes out. We can then open the drain plug and remove the oil filter housing, which is sitting there as well. So I've got a 14mm here. Just to crack that open. Get your oil pan underneath, and if the engine's been running, the oil might be very hot, so just be careful not to burn yourself. So we can also remove the oil filter housing. I'm using one of these. This is specific for this car, actually, for Toyota. It fits the Prius and others. I'm not sure, it doesn't have a size, so we'll get oil coming out of there as well, so just get your oil pan underneath that as well. Then we just need to remove the filter which is in there, pull it out, and dispose of that. Just remove that, and remove the O-ring. Oops, and you'll get a new O-ring with your filter kit. Get the new filter in there, and I'm just going to put a little bit of oil or grease around this O-ring so it sits nicely when we screw it in. That's the part number that I'm using. not too tight, as 25 Newton meters, there's not a lot of force there. And we can refit our oil sump plug. Just get a new washer. And just clean the area a little bit with some brake and clutch fluid cleaner. And we can close this area now. The little pins are missing out of this one, so I'm gonna use a cable tie. Okay, so that's pretty much it from underneath. So we're gonna lower the car now and top up some oil. Okay, so we're ready to top up some oil. This takes 4.2 liters. And the recommended oil is 5W30. Okay, so got our 4.2 liters in there, and you can see the minimum mark, little dot there, and the maximum. So this is just above the max, which would be fairly normal because some of this oil will go to the oil filter housing, and that should then drop to the max. And that's pretty much it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.